Skilled trades and maintenance pros, opportunity is knocking. Namdock is hiring for 4 key fixed-term roles to support high-performance maintenance operations in the maritime sector. Open positions: maintenance fitter, maintenance planner, maintenance scheduler, 2X millwright mechanical. If you're hands-on, reliable, and ready to work in a dynamic industrial environment, this is your moment. Location: Walvis Bay. Apply now via jobopportunities.net. Need help? Contact the Nawa team at +264 0 64 402403. Don't miss out. Skilled talent like yours is in high demand. Apply today. Meet the chatbot that gets you hired. No more guessing. No more delays. The smart chatbot on jobopportunities.net is ready to guide your next career move anytime you need it. Here's what it can help you with. Fine-tune your CV and cover letter so they get noticed. Prepare with realistic interview questions that boost your confidence. Get tips on emotional intelligence, self-presentation, and staying motivated. Understand how HR and recruitment work so you can stand out. Just visit jobopportunities.net and tap the chatbot icon in the bottom right corner. Ask anything. Get answers instantly. Whether you're applying today or planning your next step, this is the digital ally you've been waiting for. Let it guide you to smarter decisions and bigger opportunities. Nawa, your partner on the road to career success. At Nawa, we believe success isn't a matter of chance. It's built through bold action, smart strategy, and consistent support. Whether you're climbing the career ladder or streamlining procurement, we're here to help you rise with purpose. What makes Nawa different? Jobopportunities.net. Find jobs that align with your ambition. Webportunities.net. Connect suppliers and buyers effortlessly. Engaging videos showcase your vacancies, tenders, and services with style. Your career is a journey. Stay focused. Keep evolving. Aim higher. Like, subscribe, share. You never know who might find the breakthrough they've been waiting for because of you. From the sunny shores of Swakopmund, we're proud to stand with you every step of the way. No dream is too bold. No goal is out of reach. Own your journey. Make your mark. Until next time, stay driven, stay inspired, and keep moving forward.